Today, we're diving into the vibrant and bustling world of Dōtombori, Osaka's ultimate entertainment hub. You're strolling down a lively street where giant, colorful billboards light up the night sky and the aroma of sizzling street food fills the air. Dōtombori is known for its energetic atmosphere and is the heart of Osaka's entertainment scene. Whether you're into shopping, eating, or just soaking in the electric vibe, Dōtombori has it all. Here is a fun fact to share. Dōtombori's name comes from a 17th century canal that was originally dug to help with the city's water supply. Today, it is transformed into a bustling area known for its iconic neon signs and extravagant billboards, including the famous Glicoman sign, which has become a symbol of Osaka. As you wander through Dōtombori, you'll encounter a dazzling array of shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. The area is renowned for its street food, so make sure to try some of Osaka's local specialties like takoyaki, octopus balls, and okonomiyaki, savory pancakes. The bustling atmosphere is perfect for people watching and experiencing the true essence of Osaka's lively spirits. Here is a tip for a memorable visit. Head to Dōtombori after dark to fully appreciate the neon lights and vibrant street life. For the best street food experience, follow your nose to the small stalls and eateries that line the streets. And do not forget to snap a selfie with the Glicoman sign. It's a must for your Osaka photo collection. Before you leave, capture the dazzling lights and the lively street scenes on camera. Tag us at Pocket Explorer to share your adventure in Osaka's entertainment hub. Au revoir and keep exploring!